Figure it out. If you are on level 5 high frequency words, this book should be readable for you. When you are ready to practice on your own, turn the volume off. Birds in the sky. What can you see in the sky? You can see a bird in the sky. A bird can fly up high. It can check for a worm in the dirt. Some birds can climb up high through the sky. This great bird has large wings. It can flap them to go fast. Another bird has little wings. It flaps them fast to stay in place. It is worth it to see this bird. This bird can fly in the dark sky. Its head can spin close to a full turn. This bird likes to eat mice. Poor mice! Some people use a word for this fine bird. It is wise. When you walk with pals, be the first to say, "Look up!" That boy or girl can gaze up. They may see a great bird in the sky. That bird might just chirp a sweet song. What a treat!